Skin tags are common small growths on the skin, that are usually flesh-colored or slightly darker. They tend to pop up in areas with folds of skin, such as the armpits, eyelids, neck, or groin. They are harmless, non-cancerous, and usually painless. But they can definitely fade away your beauty. Skin tag removal is a simple procedure if you choose natural home remedies. And apple cider vinegar can be your first choice. In today's video, we will share how to use apple cider vinegar for skin tag removal. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips. Apple cider vinegar skin benefits. People have been using apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy almost for everything. Its acidic properties protect infection, sterilize wounds, and it can help to break down the tissues surrounding skin tags, causing them to eventually fall off. Skin tag removal with apple cider vinegar. What to do? Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar, place it on your skin tag and cover it with a bandage. Leave it overnight. Wash the area with soap and warm water next morning. If your skin tag is big, repeat daily for 1 week. Would you like to try this remedy? Or do you have your own remedies or tips for this? Share them with us in comments section below. Thanks for watching.